welcome back to my channel, Learn with Anika. Today we'll be talking about adding fractions part 1. How to add fractions with the same denominator. You just add the numerators, but the denominator stays the same. First, add all the numerators. In our example, add 5 plus 4, which equals 9. Then keep the denominator the same, which is 7. And our answer is, drumroll please, 9 over 7. It's an improper fraction. Now just simplify the answer if you can. In this case, you can. 9 over 7 can be reduced to 1 whole and 2 sevenths. How? Is because you can divide 9 by 7, which equals 1 remainder 2. And that's how we got 1 2 by 7ths. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!